Still dealing with some rainfall out there, light to moderate. More of the heaviest rainfall now south of Highway 90. Bayou Parish impacts Houma, coastal impacts around Galliano and Grand Isle with some isolated storms. None of this severe, and we're going to slowly bring the rainfall to an end. Yes, we do have a disturbance in the Gulf. It has a medium chance to become a depression, maybe even a storm before moving inland over Texas later on tonight. But it is enhancing the moisture feed over our region. Thankfully, high pressure building in from the east will help to push the moisture off to the west. That's why we're going to see drier conditions right around lunchtime today, and that's going to continue for the afternoon. Just a stray spotty shower possible later in the day. By tonight, we're watching that disturbance push inland over Texas, and that will be the case through late Friday night and early Saturday as well. So that leaves us with dry conditions right in time for the weekend. We still have the flash flood watch until noon. Wind advisory for this evening for gusty winds and still coastal flooding due to the onshore push of the water from the winds. Right now, temperatures are in the 70s with a cloud mix and some showers out there too. Again, drying out by lunchtime, heating up this afternoon too. Highs upper 70s and low 80s. Here's your 7-day forecast. It features warm conditions and sunshine for the weekend and a hotter setup next week. Highs near 90 by Thursday.